Hello, everyone. I'm Parker. I'm a senior this year. For this semester, I will be staying in my hometown um, instead of moving to Boone. Save a little money on rent and whatnot. Where I'm from Ashe County, West Jefferson in particular, which is literally 20, 25 minutes from Boone. So it's really not that big of a deal. I'm not living in Boone this semester. Um, in terms of if I needed to go to campus or Boone for something. So that's nice. What am I involved in the app? Nothing really in particular in terms of like clubs. Not really into anything I should be, but oh well. Advertising is not my major. I am a public relations major. But I do like advertising. I'm looking forward to taking this class. My experience with advertising, um, I think I saw somebody else say this in one of their videos, is just being a consumer. That's about all the experience I have with advertising, is being advertised. Um, so yeah, um, the most important part of advertising, in my opinion, is the delivery to the consumer. If that's not too broad, I believe that you can get pretty creative with the various methods and ways that you can advertise to someone and grab their attention and basically convince them to buy or use the service or product you're advertising and whatnot. What am I most excited about this semester and what am I most nervous about? I'm most excited just because it's my senior year. I'm ready to get done. So this is one step closer this semester. Unfortunately, the downside of that is what I'm most nervous about is the whole online, fully online. At least for my classes, they're completely online. Uh, Online classes in general is what I'm nervous about. Um, but I feel like that's a pretty common theme amongst the student body as a whole, at least from what I've gathered from other people and what they think. So yeah, it'll be interesting for everyone, but we'll get it done. Anything else I'd like to share? Nope, nothing else. Just looking forward to a great semester and learning some new things. Thank you.